When it comes to cybersecurity, people often think of firewalls, antivirus software, or complicated passwords. And don't get me wrong, those are important. But let me tell you this, protecting your email should be the very first thing on your cybersecurity checklist. Why? Because your email is the gateway to your digital life. Think about it. What do you do with your email? It's where your bank sends password resets. It's where your work communications live. It's where you receive notifications about everything from online shopping to social media accounts. If someone gets access to your email, they don't just have one piece of the puzzle. They have the master key. Hackers know this. That's why phishing scams are getting more sophisticated by the day. They'll use AI to craft emails that look exactly like a message from your bank or a colleague. One click, and suddenly they got access to your login credentials. From there, it's a domino effect. They can breach your financial accounts, steal your personal data, even use your email to launch attacks against others. It's terrifyingly simple. But here's the good news. Securing your email doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a strong, unique password, something long, something probably 16 characters or more, something random, and not the same as other accounts. Enable two-factor authentication. It's a simple extra step, but it makes the world of difference. Be vigilant. If an email looks even slightly suspicious, don't click. Verify the sender first. Your email is more than just a communication tool. It's a hub for your entire digital footprint. If you secure your email, you're not just protecting yourself from one potential breach. You're fortifying the foundation of your entire cybersecurity strategy. Start there, and the rest will eventually fall into place. Stay alert. Stay secure. It's worth it. This has been your cybersecurity tip of the week. In the meantime, everyone please stay safe and secure until we see you next time.